Have you ever wondered how a massive ship's hull covered with barnacles, algae, and layers of old paint becomes clean and smooth again, ready for a fresh coat of paint? Well, today we're diving deep into one of the most crucial stages in ship maintenance, hull cleaning and preparation for painting where technology meets toughness. Long before modern technology took over, hull cleaning was a purely manual job. Workers used hand scrapers and wire, brushes to remove barnacles, and algae sticking to the hull surface. It was a tough, time-consuming, and labor-intensive task. Imagine cleaning an entire ship's bottom by hand. Even today, small ships and boatsmen, local repair yards still rely on this method because it's simple and low cost. But for large commercial vessels, this old school way just isn't practical anymore. Nowadays, technology has taken cleaning to a whole new level. In modern dry docks, powerful high-pressure water guns are used to blast away barnacles, algae, and other marine growth from the hull. Operators often use cherry pickers or movable platforms to reach every section of the hull from the keel to, besides ensuring a complete clean. This method is faster, cleaner, and much safer than manual scraping. But what if a ship doesn't enter a dry dock? No problem. High-pressure water cleaning can also be done underwater with divers, operating specialized cleaning equipment. Even more impressive, semi-automatic robots are now part of this process. These robots, guided by divers or remote operators, can scrub, jet, and even vacuum the hull surface underwater. And above the waterline, remote-controlled robotic systems are used for cleaning hard-to-reach areas, reducing human risk and increasing speed. It's like watching underwater drones giving the ship a high-tech car wash. Once the marine growth is gone, it's time for the next big step: surface preparation before painting. Here, the goal is to remove any old paint, rust, and surface damage, leaving a clean, rough texture that helps the new paint bond perfectly. The most common and effective method is dry blasting using grit, copper slag, or sand under high pressure. Among these, dry blasting is often preferred because it creates the best surface profile for durable and long-lasting paint coatings. But the industry is evolving fast. Now we have robotic blasting systems, both dry and hydro-based, that can be controlled remotely. These robotic solutions provide faster progress. The result: better accuracy and easier access to every inch of the hull. A perfectly prepared surface, ready for protective and anti-fouling paints, ensuring the ship can sail. From old scrapers to advanced robots, the evolution, smoothly and efficiently for years, of hull cleaning is truly fascinating. From old scrapers to advanced robots, the evolution of hull cleaning is truly fascinating. Which method do you think is the future of ship maintenance? Robotic? Let us know in the comments below.